turned the corner on Tango 268, heading towards Billings, which is about 85 miles away. About 30 minutes, maybe a little less once we start our descent. We're talking to Big Sky approach, waiting to get the
Golf, 10 degrees left, vector for about 5 mile final.
The weather is good VFR at Billings. We'll probably cancel here in a couple of minutes just to speed things up a little bit. Big Sky Bonanza 46 Foxtrot. We'd like to cancel IFR. We'll stay with you for flight following.
Bonanza 46 Foxtrot, IFR cancellation received.
Thank you, 46 Foxtrot. We're going to proceed. Direct Billings.
46 Foxtrot.
46 Foxtrot is going to begin a descent down to VFR descent 9,500.
That's 46 Foxtrot, Roger. Lucian radar and center is not taking my hand off, so you can just give them a call at your convenience. Radar service is terminated. Squawk VFR. Frequency change approved. Their frequency will be 127.75 when you're ready.
2775. Good day, 46 Foxtrot.
Yeah, I'm Mr. Birch, Alaska 329 at 360. Hello.
I jumped off line, who called?
That was probably my finance delivery as of yet. It was Alaska 329 to 360.
Alaska 329, Salt Lake Center, roger.
No, WestJet 2310.350, good morning to you.
WestJet 2310, Salt Lake, good morning. United 2483, contact Salt Lake Center 132.4.
32.4, United 2043.
Wait a couple of minutes for the ATIS to change over at Billings. And I think they said they were using runway 28
Flight
right,
check
which is
55,
pretty
descend to
standard.
maintain 16,000, Billings altimeter 3003.
16,000 on 3003 for flight check 55.
431 Romeo Mike, radar surf Thermae is Squawk VFR, have a good one.
VFR, have a good day, 1 Romeo Mike.
A few bumps, bring the power back a little bit.
Flight check 55, contact approach 120.5.
120.5, flight check 55, good day.
Airport Station Hotel 1653, Zulu, wind calm, visibility 10, 2 clouds 5,000, 2 clouds 15,000, tensor 14, 2.4, altimeter 3003. Expect a visual approach, sign parting runway 28 right. Totem, vortex out of service. Departing VFR aircraft to advise ground control of your requested heading or destination. Departure and control frequency is 120.5. Advise on this contact TF Hotel.
Billings area approach, Cessna 84062, student pilot, 16 miles northwest of Billings, inbound for touch and goes. Therma 84062, Billings approach, squawk 04, information, hotel. Cessna 84062, Billings approach, squawk 0457. Billings approach, 84062, squawk 0457. Skyhawk 84062, enter the right downwind for runway 28 right. Billings approach 84062, entering a right downwind for 428. Rocky 36, radar concept position and altitude checks, fly heading 140, vectors 4 sequencing.
Vectoring 140, Skyhawk 436, Romeo Mike. Going for truck 26, inbound from the north for touch and goes with hotel.
Rocky 26, Billings approach, roger. Turn left heading 110, vectors 4 sequencing.
Left heading 110, Rocky 26.
Rocky 36, type landing.
Full stop for 436.
Rocky 36, roger.
Flight check 55, canceling IFR. I'll stay with you for flight following.
Flight check 55, roger, IFR cancellation received, maintain on your present squawk.
Flight check 55, roger.
Billings approach, Bonanza 1546 Foxtrot, 30 miles west of the airport information hotel, landing Billings.
Rocky 36 on a right base, runway 28 right, contact tower 127.2.
Entering a right base for 28 right, Rocky 36 and contacting tower.
Skyway 3817, 5 present heading, descend maintain 7000.
Present heading, maintain 7000, Gus 3817.
Rocky 26, following company, each 10 o'clock, 5 miles southbound, 5,500.
Looking Rocky 26.
Now Rocky 26, turn left heading 100.
Left heading 100, Rocky 26.
Cessna 062, fly heading 120, vector for the left downwind.
Zero 62 120 for left downwind.
Billings approach, Bonanza 1546, Foxtrot, 27 miles west of the airport. Information hotel landing.
Calling inbound, standby. Rocky 26, company's now heading to your left at your 11 o'clock and 2 miles southbound 5,000.
We're looking for that traffic, Rocky 26.
Well, 46 Foxtrot, Billings approach squad 0423.
0423, 46 Foxtrot, we're descending out of 9,500.
Touch 46 Foxtrot, radar contact 26 southwest of Billings, and our left downwind runway 28 right.
Left downwind 28 right, 46 Foxtrot.
Rocky 26, 12 o'clock in a mile.
We got the traffic, Rocky 26.
26, follow company traffic, resume navigation runway 28 right.
Follow company, resume one navigation, 28 right, Rocky 26.
Rocky 26, contact tower 127.2, let the tower know you have company in sight.
Contact tower, we'll let the tower know, Rocky 26.
Number 46 Foxtrot, C-type aircraft.
Bravo Echo 36, 46 Foxtrot.
Number 46 Foxtrot, thanks. I missed the verify F hotel.
We do have hotel, 46 Foxtrot.
Skyway City 817, turn right 8100, will be a short vector for tower traffic.
Right turning heading 100, Gus 3817.
Okay, we're on the right tank, lights are on. We're VFR, going to enter a left downwind 28 right.
Cessna 062, resume on navigation left downwind, runway 28 right.
Resume your own navigation 062.
Cessna 062, contact tower 127.2.
Airport's in sight.
Going to tower 127.2062.
Skyway City 817, turn left heading 010.
Left 010, Gus 3817.
Bonanza 46 Foxtrot, see parking.
Going to Edwards, 46 Foxtrot.
46 Foxtrot, Roger. Skyway City 817, contact tower 127.2, we'll see you later.
57G, have a good day, Gus 3817.
Everything is complete except for landing gear and flaps and power.
Bonanza 46 Foxtrot, flighting 100, vector for the downwind.
Heading 100, 46 Foxtrot.
Billings approach, Skyhawk 488, Romeo Alpha. Call Billings, say again. Skyhawk 488, Romeo Alpha. Cessna 488, Romeo Alpha, Billings approach.
Hey, how you guys doing? Just wondering if it's not too much hassle for you guys if we could do a practice approach.
First name Romeo Alpha, affirmative, what would you like to start with?
We'll just do an ILS for 28 right, and then we'll go missed, and we'll just head back to Blaine. We're south of you guys right now, about 25 miles.
First name Romeo Alpha, squawk 0461.
0461, Romeo Alpha.
First name Romeo Alpha, radar contact 26 south of Billings, verify hotel.
Affirmative, Romeo Alpha.
First name Romeo Alpha, flighting 010, vector ILS from to road approach, maintain VFR.
010 for the vectors ILS 28 right, Romeo Alpha. And Billings flight 40, climbing to 5,700.
Rocky 40, Billings departure, radar contact. First name Romeo Alpha, verify heading northbound 010.
Yeah, 010, we're catching it now, 8 Romeo Alpha.
Okay, Romeo Alpha, roger. Rocky 40, resume navigation.
Moving on nav, Rocky 40.
Mr. 46 Fox, Bonanza 46 Fox, maintain VFR at or above 5,500.
At or above 5,500, 46 Fox.
Bonanza 46 Fox, no left base, runway 28 right, contact tower 127.2.
Okay, turn to left base and contact tower 127.2 at or above 5,500.
Yeah, at about 5,500, tower car, your descent.
Okay, thank you, 46 Fox.
Rocky 26, traffic just off your left, Skyhawk is for the parallel to your left.
We got the traffic, RC26.
Traffic inside Rocky 42.
Rocky 42, follow that Archer runway 28 right, clear stop and go, wind 110 at 5.
Follow that traffic, 28 right, clear stop and go, Rocky 42.
Billings Tower, Bonanza 1546 Foxtrot's left downwind 28 right, 5,500.
South parallel 28 left. Behind them is your company, Archer. Just verify you have the second one inside. Negative. That was the first. We'll look for that second traffic for Rocky 42. Rocky 42, roger.
Billings Tower, Bonanza 1546 Foxtrot's left downwind runway 28 right, 5,500.
Rocky 42 has the traffic inside. Sky 3017, deliver Echo, contact ground point 9, see ya. Echo to ground, Sky 3817, see ya.
Rocky 42, follow that traffic, runway 28 right, clear stop and go, wind 110 at 5.
28 right, clear stop and go, Rocky 42.
Billings Tower, Bonanza 1546 Foxtrot's left downwind 28 right, 5,500.
Bonanza 1546 Foxtrot, Billings Tower, roger, continue northbound, expect your clearance close in.
Okay, we'll turn left base. And you want us to stay at 5,500 now?
Bonanza 46 Foxtrot, you can start your altitude descent to 5,000. Traffic to follow is a Seminole right base.
Okay, we'll descend to 5,000. We're looking for the Seminole, 46 Foxtrot.
Bonanza 46 Foxtrot, fly present heading squared, final, traffic calls is...
Disregard Bonanza 46 Foxtrot, turn the 20 degrees right, there'll be a short vector for that traffic there, 11 o'clock, 2 miles, turning a 2 mile final to Seminole at 3,900.
Okay, I'm still looking for the Seminole. I'm turning 20 right, 46 Foxtrot.
Thank you.
Bonanza 46 Foxtrot, altitude at your discretion.
Okay, I'll do my discretion, 46 Foxtrot. Still looking for the Seminole.
Bonanza 46 Foxtrot, that Seminole is short final, you can turn inbound at your discretion, runway 28 right, clear to land.
Okay, we're turning inbound, clear to land 28 right, 46 Foxtrot.
Wind 120 at 7.
Speed checks, gear coming down.
Skyhawk 062, change to runway 2. Correction, would you like runway 2 right now? 062, we can stay on 2 left, thank you. Skyhawk 062, roger, wind 120 at 7, runway 2 left, clear touch and go. 28 left, clear for touch and go, 026.
Speed checks, approach.
And tower for Rocky 26, do you want a 6 under upwind or right close traffic?
Rocky 26, make right close traffic.
Right close traffic, Rocky
3 green. Mixture coming rich. Speed checks. Full flaps.
Rocky 42 will be a full stop
I'm
next
gonna
pass.
put yaw dampers off.
Rocky 42, Roger, traffic to follow from Archer 4500 heading to your right.
Everything's set for landing, we're still a little high.
Asking site for Rocky 42.
Rocky 42, follow that traffic.
All that traffic, Rocky 42.
Speed.
Rocky 26 Bonanza, short final, runway 28 right, clear touch and go, wind 130 at 6.
We'll be looking for the Bonanza, clear touch and go, runway 28 right. And can we get a short approach to this one for Rocky 26 if possible?
Rocky 26, traffic no factor, make short approach, runway 28 right, clear touch and go.
Traffic, no factor, clear touch and go, make a short approach, Rocky 26.
Bonanza 46 Foxtrot, turn left at Charlie, contact 1.9er.
That's a Charlie, over to ground, 46 Foxtrot. Billings ground, Bonanza 1546 Foxtrot, Charlie, taxi Edwards.
There's 1546 Foxtrot, Billings ground, taxi to Edwards, the Alpha.
Edwards via Alpha 46 Foxtrot.